Well, Happy New Year from Connor's Country Acre, January 1st, 2026. It's been a while since we've done a video. I thought I'd put out this little short. We do have other videos that we are trying to get out, but I just got to fit it into my schedule. Took a couple weeks off at the end of the year. I was going to try and get a kitchen remodel done, but we didn't even get started on it, so that will be in the works, and we plan on recording that. And we got preoccupied doing a little bit of stuff with RJC Customs. We got a couple new tools and a new setup. Down there's the new coworker, but up here, should turn these on first. We have some racking with our 3D printer. That middle section will be set up for a computer, and then over there we have our laser cutter engraver. So that kept us busy around the holidays, but it is January 1st and we are getting hit with another snowstorm. 2025 started off with heavy snow at the beginning of the year. 2026 is doing the same thing. Now, this is just the beginning. 20 minutes ago, it wasn't snowing at all, so we're on the outer band. So I expect it to get heavier as it shifts north. If it shifts north, lake effect's a very finicky thing, and a little bit of wind change can totally change the snow that you get. Right now, between Thursday night and Saturday night, they're saying anywhere from, in my area, it depends, 24 to 48 inches. So that's almost the amount of snow we started off 2025 with. So hopefully it is not as bad as last year. But just like to wish you all a happy new year. Hope things go great for you this year. And stick around. We promise we will get more content out for you. And for my wife, peace.